Welcome to CSEGuru. In this session, we will discuss Quantitative Aptitude by S Agarwal and the topic is Numbers MCQ Part 29. Problem number 141. A number when divided successfully by 4 and 5 leaves remainder 1 and 4. This is successive division. Okay. When it is successively divided by 5 and 4, then the respective remainder will be. So the method, if you are considering in the sense, consider that dividend is x. We don't know the value. We need to find this dividend value. Okay. So when this x is divided by 4 in the sense, it will leave some value as quotient and remainder here they have given. So consider the quotient is y and the remainder value is 1. Okay. Again, when this y is divided by 5, it will leave the final value in the sense, that is the final division in the sense, always the quotient value is 1 and the remainder is 4. Okay. So this is the logic. So if you want to find y value in the sense, this is the divisor and this is the quotient and this is the remainder. We know the formula. Dividend is nothing but divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. So here, in this step, to find y value, divisor is nothing but 5 and the quotient value is 1 plus remainder value is 4. So we will get it as 9. So y value is 9. Suppose if you want to find x value in the sense, in this step, 4 is considered as the divisor, y is the quotient and 1 is the remainder. So 4 divisor into quotient is y. Y is nothing but 9 plus remainder value is 1. So the value is 37. We will get it. And this is the dividend value. Okay. So the dividend is 37. When it is successively divided by 5 and 4, then the respective remainders will be. So consider the quotient value is 37. When it is divided by 5 first, it is 7 times 35, remainder is 2. First remainder is 2. And again, when it is divided by 4 in the sense, 1 time remainder is 3. So first remainder is 2, second remainder is 3. Okay. So the correct answer is option B, 2 and 3. Next, problem number 142. A number when divided successively in order 4, 5 and 6. The remainder were respectively 2, 3 and 4. What is the number? Here we need to find the dividend only. So, when a number, consider the number as x, when it is divided by 4, we will get the quotient and that quotient we don't know. So, consider it as y. We will get the first remainder as 2. Again, when this y value is divided by, this is a successive division. Okay. So, when y value is divided by 5, we don't know the quotient. So, that we will consider it as z. And the remainder, we will get it as 3. Again, when this z value is divided by 6. Okay. So, this is the final division. So, always we will get quotient value 1 and the remainder is nothing but 4. Okay. Now, we know the formula. Dividend is nothing but divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. So, to find z value, always start from the downwards. Okay. So, to find z value, that is 6 into 1 plus 4. 6 is the divisor, 1 is the quotient, 4 is the remainder. So, 6 into 1 plus 4, it is 10. Next, to find the y value, 5 into z plus 3. 5 is the divisor, z is the quotient, 3 is the remainder. So, to find y, 5 into z value is nothing but 10 plus remainder is 3. That is 53. Next, to find the x value. Divisor is 4, quotient is y and the remainder is 2. So, x is equal to 4 into y value is 53 plus remainder is 2. We will get it 214. Then the number is option A, 214. The dividend value is 214. Next, problem number 143. In dividing a number by 585, a student employed the method of short division. He divided the number successively by 5, 9 and 13. That is the factors of 585. And got the remainders 4, 8 and 12. If he had divided the number by 585, then the remainder would be. So first we need to find the dividend value. This is also like previous problem only. So a number, consider the number as x. When it is divided by 5, we will get quotient is y, first remainder is 4. Okay. Again, so this is a successive division. So again, when this y is divided by 9, we will get quotient as z and the second remainder is 8. Again, when this z is divided by 13, we will get remainder as 12. Quotient always the last digit we will get 1 and the remainder is 12. Okay. So we know the formula. Dividend is divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. So to find z value, divisor is 13, quotient is 1, remainder is 12. Divisor is 13 into quotient 1 plus remainder is 12. So we will get it as 25. Next, to find y, divisor is 9, quotient is z value, remainder is 8. So y is equal to 9 into z value is 25 plus remainder is 8. So 9 into 25 plus 8, 233 we will get it. Again, to find x value, divisor is 5, quotient is y, remainder is 4. So divisor 5 into quotient is y, that is 233 plus remainder is 4. So we will get it 1169. So initially the student has employed the short division method. Suppose if he had divided the number by 585, what would be the remainder? So now we got the dividend value. So divide this number 1169 is equal to same formula we will implement. We know the divisor. Divisor is nothing but 585 into quotient plus remainder. So if you are dividing this number by 585 directly, we will get the remainder value is 584. So the remainder we will get here is 584 when this dividend value is directly divided by 585. So the correct answer is option D, 584. Next, problem number 144. A number when divided by 3 leaves remainder 1. When the quotient, that is what is the quotient, we will get here when it is divided by 3, that quotient is divided by 2. The remainder is 1. What will be the remainder when the dividend value is divided by 6? So we need to find the dividend here. So dividend is divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here dividend we don't know. So consider the dividend as x. When it is divided by 3, we don't know the quotient. Okay, 3q plus remainder is 1. Again, when this quotient value is divided by 2, remainder is 1. So consider q is equal to, when it is divided by 2, the quotient value is, we don't know. So consider it as p and the remainder is 1. So q is nothing but 2p plus 1. So apply here, that is 3 into 2p plus 1 plus 1. So here we will get it as 6p plus 3 plus 1. So this is 6p plus 4. And when this dividend value, now this is the dividend value. Okay, if you know the p value, we will get the dividend. When this dividend value is divided by 6, what will be the remainder? So if you are dividing this by 6 in the sense, the remainder you will get here is 4. So the remainder is 4. So the correct option is option C, 4. So if you are solving directly the question, if you are solving this one, we will get one time and this is nothing but the remainder. Okay. So the correct answer is option C, 4. Problem number 145. 4 power 61 plus 4 power 62 plus 4 power 63 plus 4 power 64 is divisible by. So if we are considering here, this is 4 power 61 plus 4 power 62 plus 4 power 63 plus 4 power 64. Okay. And here the least power is 61. So 4 power 61, we will take it outside. Next, we will consider this 4 power 61 is 1 time plus 4 power 62 is, this is 4 power 61 plus 4 power 1. So here 4 power 61 into 4 power 1. That is 61 plus 1 power we need to add. So 62 we will get it. Similarly, for 63, 4 power 2. For 64, 4 power 3. Okay, we will take like this. And here if you are solving 4 power 61 into 1 plus 4 plus 16 plus 64. So this is 4 power 61 into 85. And for this one, divisibility is difficult. So we will simplify it. So to simplify this, we will take in terms of 4 power 60. And the ones digit is 0 in the sense it is easy to find. Okay, so 4 power 60 into 4 power 1 into 85. So 4 into 85 is 4 power 60 into 4 into 85 is 340. So this is also 0. One's digit is 0. So obviously this will be divisible by 10. Okay. So the correct option is option B, 10. Next, problem number 146. If x is a whole number, then x square into x square minus 1 is always divisible by. Consider the minimum value of x. X is equal to 2. Okay. Then implement in this. That is 2 square into 2 square minus 1. So 4 into 4 minus 1. So we will get it as 4 into 3. That is 12 we will get it. Okay. Suppose if x value is 3 in the sense, 3 square into 3 square minus 1. So 3 square is 9 and 9 minus 1 is 8. It is 72. So 72 is also divisible by 12. Suppose if x value is 4, that is 4 square into 4 square minus 1. So 16 into 16 minus 1, it is 15. So 16 into 15, we will get it as 240. Okay, this is also divisible by 12. If you are taking x value 5, 6, 7, likewise, if you are taking also, that multiplication factor is also divisible by 12. So when x value is a whole number, then x square into x square minus 1 is always divisible by 12. Correct option is option A, 12. Thank you for watching this video.